Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add Peacock app to LG Smart TV app install guide step by step clearly. First, turn on your LG Smart TV and make sure you are on the home screen. Press the home button on your LG remote to open the main launcher bar. Check that your TV is connected to the internet by going to Settings and opening Network. Confirm the connection says connected and that the Wi-Fi or Ethernet signal is stable. Go back to the home screen again using the home button. Find and open LG Content Store from the launcher bar. If you do not see it, scroll right on the launcher bar until it appears. When LG Content Store opens, select the search icon at the top of the screen. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Peacock and select the correct result. Open the Peacock app page to view the app details. Verify that the app name is Peacock and the publisher information looks official. Select the Install button to start downloading the app. Wait until the download finishes and the button changes to Launch or Open. Select Launch to open Peacock immediately after installation. If you want to open it later, press Home and find Peacock in your app list. When Peacock opens, choose Sign In if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, select Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions. On the Sign In screen, choose the option to sign in with an email and password or a code if shown. If you get a code on the TV, open Peacock.com on your phone or computer and enter the code. Complete the sign-in process and wait for the app to load your profile and homepage. If the app does not appear in the store, check your LG TV model and WebOS version in Settings. Make sure your TV software is up to date by going to Settings, Support, and Software Update. After updating, restart the TV by turning it off for 10 seconds and turning it back on. Open LG Content Store again and search for Peacock one more time. If Peacock still is not available, your TV region may not support it, so check the LG Services country setting. If the app installs but does not work, uninstall it, reinstall it, and confirm your internet connection again. For smoother playback, close other running apps and keep your TV close to the router if using Wi-Fi. Once everything is set, select a show or movie and start streaming on Peacock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.